Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what I usually do before there's any rainbow weather in Heartopia. So basically, when it's the rainbow weather, it's kind of time for you to grind, honestly. So in preparation of that, I usually plant grapes, or you can plant the ingredients you want um, for cooking, of course. And I usually use the rainbow bouquet as well to cook, so I get more stars. And then once I'm done with everything, I sell it to Albert. And I sell it once I'm literally done with everything. Have some cooked already. You are able to cook it before if you already have the rainbow bouquet, which I have, so I didn't wait for it. Because sometimes I like to just go fishing, or I like to go bird watching or insect catching when it's the rainbow weather. So I am able to get rarer fishes and rarer items to go into my collection. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fishes for the fish observation. For the insect, I need 3 more, and then for the bird watching, I'm losing my voice. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yeah, basically I like to do that when there's a rainbow. There's also going to be rain before the rainbow, so at 6 a.m. my time. Hold on, where is the weather? So, I mean, so 6 to 12, it's going to be raining, and 12 to 6 p.m., it's going to be a rainbow weather. And yeah, I like to utilize those times to complete my collections of fishes and insects and stuff like that. But yeah, I will do cooking first, and I will sell to Albert for more money. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!